Welcome back to another video of crypto earning. Hopefully my crypto family will be fine. In this video I am going to introduce one of the most unique one-stop platform for messaging, notifications and marketing. It's called Dmail. But before going to the detailed video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So let's start. Here is the official Twitter account of Dmail AI. You can see here is more than 500k followers on Twitter. And in this video I am also cover up Dmail price plans and where it's listed. Also you can how to earn from airdrops and staking features. So first of all, let me introduce about Dmail. What is Dmail and how it works? So Dmail network is an AI-powered decentralized communication infrastructure built to provide encrypted emails, undefined notifications, and target marketing across multiple chain and dApps for user, developer, and marketers. So it's a huge platform for survival projects at once. So how we can earn from these projects? There are two ways to earn from airdrop and staking. First we talk about airdrop. Go through airdrop link and open it. Currently previously two seasons already closed, but we can also participate in season 3. But before going to start season 3, let me show you about markets of Dmail. Dmail 24-hour trading volume is 2.27 million, marketing cap is 10 millions, and maximum supply 200 million Dmail tokens. Dmail coin is also listed on major exchanges like Bybit, Bitgate, MEX, KuCoins. So let's back to the airdrop tab and click on start season 3. You need to log in through your MetaMask EVM wallet. Click on MetaMask and connect it. After login, you will redirect to your dashboard. Here you will find there are loads of tasks showing you need to complete and collect your points daily basis. According to points, you will be get your airdrop reward at the end of season 3. So how we will complete our quest? We will need to send an email to daily basis on different chains. So let me try to send an email on Linea chain. Click on compose sections. So here you will get a small tutorial how it works. Click on next, finish. After clicking on compose button, we need some receiver information like a receiver email address, principal ID. It's look like where we get it. Ask your receiver, click on your profile and default address. Copy the default address and principal ID look like here. Copy these two and send it to you. After that you need to paste here. I try to send email to my own address. You will type whatever you want. Okay, after that I need to switch my blockchain to Linea. Here Linea mainnet. After that I need to click on send button. Our wallet pop up and make sure you must have some Linea ETH in your wallet to perform this email. Click on confirm button. That's it. Okay, email has been sent. It's working fine. And let me check in my inbox. Click on inbox button. See, I sent email to my own address. It's working fine. Same like you can send email to another one. After that I will be back to earning tab. Here you can see my points. So you can try to compose and send emails on multi blockchains and collect more points every day. Your daily limit is 20 email per day. After that you can also upgrade your plans from your points like a free upgrade, but make sure you have enough points to upgrade your plan. Like I need a 500 points for a basic plan. In basic plan my daily limits is 40 emails, 100 emails and 200 emails. Now it's depend on you how much points you have for upgrading your package. Okay, let's back to the dashboard. In quest section you can also purchase an NFT domain. Free mint is not included. We can earn 800 points. Like click on buy. You can search your own domain like crypto sell and click on search. You can type your own any domain. Okay, let me find another. Okay, it's available. Click on lock and buy. You can buy this domain from your wallet fund like a USDT on multi-blockchain from a BNB, Ethereum, Polygon and Internet Computer. You can also purchase this domain from D-Mail coins. If you hold some D-Mail coins in your wallet at Ethereum or BNB blockchain, you can also purchase from D-Mail coins. If you have a fund, just select your payment method and click on confirm. It will redirect to your wallet. Purchase done. Okay, go back. Here you can find some giveaways. Here you can see multitask. You can try it your own. Click on register, just simple task. Click on registered, go their website and follow the instructions and come back to the dashboard and verify it. Okay, let me show more. Here you can find some social quest. If you follow this social quest, you will get some extra points. Let me introduce one of the unique features of this project like assets. You can swap your assets without any third party bridge. Just click on assets and here you can select your blockchain like Ethereum. I have some fund on Ethereum blockchain. Click on USDT or Ethereum, whatever you have, and select the coin like I need a D-Mail on BNB chain. I have a fund like 0.001. Okay, you don't need to go third party bridge. You can swap your D-Mail coins or Ethereum's BNB and whatever you need to D-Mail token, just swap here. Okay, here you can see I will get from $2 16 D-Mail tokens. Click on swap button. Okay, sign in and swap. Here you can see pop-up will arrive. Just click on confirm. You will get D-Mail token in just few seconds on just 2 clicks. At the final moment, you can also subscribe all blockchains on the dashboard like subscribe. You can find your subscribe under subscribe tab. Okay. After that, you can also earning throughout staking your fund. Click on staking tab and click on stake D-Mail now. You will redirect to another dashboard where you can stake your fund and you will earn on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis and 3-month basis. Like if you have a fund in your D-Mail, so just type your D-Mail coins. Like if you have 100, select 100. Okay, and select any day you want to need. Okay, click your connect wallet, MetaMask, connect. Now click on approve. If you have D-Mail tokens, then you can stake it. You can also buy D-Mail coins from many exchanges as I told beginning of the video like MEX. You can go MEX and buy the D-Mail coins and deposit into your wallet. Also I mentioned you can swap your fund without any third party app directly on your dashboard. Just swap your coins into D-Mail and go back to staking dashboard and stake your fund and earn your extra reward. Also, you can harvest your staking reward anytime. You can also earn extra point by staking your D-Mail tokens as a airdrop reward point system. Like if I stake 100 D-Mail coins, I will earn 800 points. It's a extra beneficial points. It's a extra points for us. Don't forget to follow dmail.ai official Twitter for more updates and upcoming events. Hopefully you like my video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.